Yeah, welcome to today's class. Today we are looking at if-else statement. The last class we did the if statement. All right. So I told you that the else statement is just the companion that was created for the if statement. So what is the syntax for this if-else statement? You have if the Boolean expression, right? You will go in and print out this statement or statement, right? Then you close this curly bracket. Else, so you can write the else here, right? Else, then you open another curly bracket, and then you print out the else statement or statement, and then you close the curly bracket, right? So this is the syntax for if else. If the condition is true, if this expression is true, it will go in and print this. Else, if the condition is false, it will come to this else and then it will go in here and it will print out the else statement. So what is the flow chart for this? The flow chart is so if the condition is true, if the condition is false, so condition, right? Now this one will be S1, which is statement 1, and this one will be S2, which is statement 2. So this is the flow chart for if else statement. If the condition is true, it will come here and carry out this statement. Whatever the operation is, that is what it will carry out. If the condition is false, it will carry out this. So we are going to write the same program that we use in our if statement, where age is coming to vote. So if the condition is true, then it will print out eligible to vote. If the condition is false, it will print out not eligible to vote. That is what I'm going to show you. So let me write that on the screen. So we have um, include stdio dot h, and then in main, our main function, then we'll declare our variable in the integer rem h, and then we assign a value to it. Let's assign 18 to it, and then we come here and we say if the condition age is greater or equals to 18, then go in and print out printf eligible to vote, right? So we'll print out eligible to vote. That is a statement. Then we are going to close this, right? Then here we'll say else, and then we'll put this, and then we'll say, we can write it here, or we'll come here and write print f not eligible to vote. Then we'll close this, and then we'll say return 0, right? Then we'll close this one. Okay, so this is our program. Now, in the last one, we only had the if statement, but now we are having the else statement. So in main, we are declaring a variable h and we are assigning 18 to h. So h will come here and tell if I want to vote, my age is 18. So if we check the condition, age is greater or equals to 18, it will go in, it will check, yes, age, this messenger is 18 years old. So it will allow the messenger to go in. So that is the meaning of printf. This is printf. Printf, it will print out eligible to vote. But if I change this place to 16, it will check if age is greater or equals to 18. Age is 16. So this is not true. This is false. S will step forward and lead that messenger, meaning I will tell the messenger, you are not eligible to vote. So if will not do anything, S will step forward and tell the messenger, you are not eligible to vote, and then to return to the operating system. That is the end of the program. So that is what if else will do. Now, all these statements I'm showing you, this is just very simple application. It can be more complex than this, meaning you can have multiple conditions. In such scenario, you are going to bring in the logical operator. Logical operator. So a situation where I'm going to test multiple conditions. So aside this, maybe there is another condition again that I need to test. Then this will be the first condition. Then I will use my logical AND to add the second condition. So as you write the program, it will become much more complex than this. But the basic understanding is what I've just shown to you. How does if statement works? How does the if else statement work? That is what I've just demonstrated on the screen. So let's go to code blocks and let me also show you the if else statement. Then in the next class, I will show you the nested if, that is having if inside if. And then I'll also show you the next step. Just like that, we'll continue to see all the various statements in decision making. So let's go to code blocks. So this is our code blocks, and this is our code. I'm just going to add this back to 18. And then we are going to execute this. So I have added the S block. If age equals to, you are assigning 18 to age, then the condition is age is greater or equals to 18. Print F, eligible to vote. Else, print F, not eligible to vote. So age is 18. I can even change this age to 20. Now, if I compile and execute it, it will print out eligible to vote. See, eligible to vote. That is what it's showing, eligible to vote. Now, if I change this one to 15, it will print out not eligible to vote. You see, not eligible to vote, because it has tested the condition. The condition is age must be greater or equals to 18, but age here is 15, so it's not eligible to vote. That is what I want to show you in this class. So if you have come with me this far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. You can equally follow me on my Facebook page. So till we see in the next class, bye-bye.